I'm sure most of you are wondering what I meant by the assistant in the other room, right? Well, it's adult toys. Yes, I gave you guys a heads up, remember? Don't go holy on me now. So, question. Do adult toys boost or break a relationship? What's your opinion? What do you think? Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the first episode of Pillow Talk with Resonate with Tammy. I greet you guys with love listening to the lady with the golden voice. So, guys, I need to tell you why I had to bring this hot topic to the table. This topic that has caused confusion in the land of some men in my life. Some weeks ago, my childhood friend Sissy invited myself and some of our friends to our house for a birthday party. Halfway into the party, she got a gift from her husband and it was an adult toy. I wasn't surprised because my friend happens to be an adventurous person, but guys, you should have seen the look on some of our friends who were totally against it. Before I could say Jack Robinson, the debate started right there. The confusion and reaction from my friends got me thinking, now, this is something I need to discuss on my next podcast episode. But before I dive into the gist, please help my ministry. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Resonate with Tammy, on Spotify and YouTube. Also, please turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new content. Now to the gist. Why do some couples feel that adult toy can boost their relationship? Cece and her husband felt they needed this important toy, so to speak, introduced into their relationship because he was hardly around due to work, so they both felt an adult toy will help resolve the challenge due to the distance. They found out that using the toy brings about open communication about their desires, fantasies, preferences, and boundaries, leading to greater understanding and trust between them. One of our friends in the party testified that using the toy brings variety, novelty, and excitement to sexual activities by helping them to break out of routine and preventing monotony in their relationship. She added that the toy also helps to ensure that both partners receive equal attention and pleasure during the act. It is said that experimenting with the toy can boost confidence and self-esteem for both partners, allowing them to explore their desires and express their sexuality more freely. For couples in long-distance relationships, adult toy can maintain a sense of intimacy and connection, bridging the physical gap between them when they are apart. It also builds anticipation during planning and discussing the use of the toy during future visits or virtual encounters. Still on long-distance relationships, some couples may experience sexual frustration due to physical separation, so the toy can provide a means of addressing these feelings and maintaining sexual well-being. One of Sissy's male friends, whose partner is abroad, told us he had to get one so he can stay connected with his partner to avoid temptation due to the distance. On the medical side, sources say the toy can provide a release of tension and stress, helping couples relax and bond with each other. Let's talk about why some couples are totally against adult toys. Some couples may view the use of adult toys as sinful from the religious angle. I read online that many religious teachings emphasizes on purity, modesty, and self-restraint in matters of sexuality. Within certain religious structure, some believers may see the use of adult toy as encouraging lusts or temptation, leading to moral and spiritual harm. Some men might feel threatened or inadequate if they perceive adult toy as replacing their role in satisfying their partner. I remember at the party, one of Sissy's friends told us that her husband was threatened by it. In fact, he wanted her to stop using it, so she had to stop it to save her marriage. Oh, can't blame the girl. Some individuals may worry that their partner might prefer the sensation from adult toy over their own touch. A friend of mine who happens to be in a long-distance marriage said, it is a no-no for him because, and I quote, what if he doesn't meet up to our expectation due to age factor? What if his wife finds more pleasure with the toy? He said in order to avoid wahala, his wife should occupy her mind by praying, engaging in any form of sport, or until he comes back home. Wow. Some individuals may perceive the use of adult toy as a form of betrayal or infidelity if it's done secretly or without their partner's consent. I read something interesting online of a man that was complaining bitterly that he caught his wife cheating on him with a vibrator. The guy was troubled that his wife enjoyed the pleasure outside their marriage from an object. This made him feel betrayed. A guy at Sis's party said he fears his partner will get addicted to it, and if it happens, there is heavy tendency that it could lead to cheating. My resonate people, I forgot to add that after the party, one of Sis's friends who was upset with the gift came to meet her secretly, asking her where she could purchase one. She said she had to put up a show because she didn't want to be judged by her church members, her sister in the Lord members. Myself and Sis couldn't help but laugh. So I've given you both sides of the coin. Where do you fall in this category? Are you for or against? Let me open the floor. I feel if both partners want adult toys to save their relationship or spice things up in the bedroom, why not? On the other hand, if one partner wants the toy and the other isn't game for it, wahala, you define. For my non-Nigerian listeners, it is you are looking for trouble. Please drop your comment on my channel Resonate with Tammy on YouTube and on WhatsApp Resonate with Tammy. I would like to know your opinion on this. Also, feel free to drop any topic you want me to talk about on my podcast. So that's all for Pillow Talk episode 1. Please join me for episode 2 on Pillow Talk, which will be dropping soon. Until then, take care and be kind.